Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors. We are preparing our display booth for the IBS International Builders Show in Vegas. We will be there in a couple of weeks. That show starts on the 19th, so come on out and see us. Wanted to give a sneak peek to what we're going to have on display at our show. First off, I wanted to show you the BSPC 101 Wild Acacia. The next one is BSPC 102, and this one is called Gray Ghost. Next is BSPC 103 Wagon Wheel. And next is our Maple Brown Sugar, which is BSPC 100. Those are model numbers you can find right on our website by going to WeShipFloors.com, enter that into the search box. Moving over to this other side panel here, we have our Natural Hickory. This one is on our website as SPC 016. Next is our SPC 004 Fortress. Next is the SPC 002 Krypton. Next, we have SPC 015, Ivory Tower. Here is the SPC 019, E-Lanes Reclaimed. This one's got 5 different planks that makes its design, so be sure to know that this one has 5 unique planks that make up its character. Next is the SPC 001 Steel. Next we have the Tennessee River Hickory. This one is on our website as SPC 011. Next we have the Circassian Walnut, SPC 029. Next is the Natural Maple, SPC 028. And last but not least, being our #1 seller, SPC 006 Solitude. So there you have it. That's our lineup for the display booth. We have somewhere around 45 colors currently, but these are our chosen ones to show for the wall panels. The rest are going to be displayed on the floor. So again, this is just a sneak peek. We don't have our signs on just yet. Maybe I'll do another video showing that, but wanted to let everyone know that plans on going out to the IBS show, that they can come see us and learn all about Supercore, talk about doing custom containers. We've got catalogs of films we'll have available for you to look through, and we can spec it out custom to your design wishes. So again, visit us at WeShipFloors.com and come see us at the IBS Vegas show on February 19th. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.